Hello smart home fans, my name is James and I'm the owner of Local Intellitech, where we install your smart home devices with integrity and confidence. We have a great video for you, so let's get started. In this video, we will compare the Eco 4th generation to the Eco 3rd generation. I will also make my recommendation on if I think it's worth the upgrade. The Eco 3rd Gen was released in October of 2019. 1 year later, the 4th Gen was released with noticeable differences. The most apparent change is the size. The 3rd Gen represents a long cylinder shape. The 4th Gen is a new styled sphere. There are a few other aesthetic changes between the two. On the 3rd Gen, the buttons on top are made out of plastic. The 4th Gen has these buttons interwoven with the fabric. The light-up ring on the 3rd Gen is located on top of the unit. On the 4th Gen, it is located on the bottom. Both generations offer color variants of charcoal, glacier white, and twilight blue. Both offer a 3.5mm in-out audio connection port for your audio devices. From a sound perspective, both offer 360-degree audio powered by Dolby. Both offer a 3-inch woofer. The 3rd Gen's woofer is found on the bottom of the device, whereas the 4th Gen is pointed upward. The 3rd Gen offers one tweeter, whereas the 4th Gen offers dual tweeters. The 4th Gen is able to produce richer, more detailed sound quality than the 3rd Gen. Also, with the placement of the woofer and dual tweeters, the sound is more directional. The 4th Gen is able to speak clearer in the direction you asked it a question. Looking inside these devices, the 4th Gen is set up as a smart home hub. To have this feature on the 3rd Gen, you would need to upgrade it to the Eco Plus. This smart home hub ability is the reason why I would recommend the 4th generation of the Amazon Echo over the 3rd Gen. This device becomes the foundation of your smart home. You can connect and set up devices directly from the Amazon Echo 4th Gen. You do not need additional hardware when you purchase a new product that requires a hub. This Zigbee technology is able to host your smart home. And finally, from a price perspective, the 4th generation is listed on Amazon for $100 and on sale for $80. The 3rd generation is now discontinued. In that regard, that makes this decision easy. I would recommend buying the 4th Gen. Even if the 3rd Gen was still available, I would still recommend the Amazon Echo 4th Gen over the 3rd Gen, as it can become the foundation of your smart home. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel above. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. For all things smart home, please visit us at www.localintellitech.com. Thank you.